Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can find your own post in LinkedIn. With this method, you can find your post that includes the photo that you have uploaded on your feed, your videos, your events, and your articles as well. So let's get started. Once you are logged into your LinkedIn account, you need to go to your profile. You can simply by clicking on this one or go to me icon here and click on view profile. And now from here, you need to scroll down. And here you can see under the resources section, there is a section about activity. Just click on the show all activity. And here you can find all of the posts that you have posted in your LinkedIn. So let me show you an example. I'm going to my feed. And here I'm going to start a post. And I'm going to click on the post. Once I refresh this, you can see my post is not showing here. To find my post, click on your profile. Just scroll down and go to your activity section, and here click on show all activity. And in this section, you can find your every post that you have posted on your LinkedIn. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if this video helps you, make sure to leave a like and also subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.